Let's go to question number 201, bitwise and numbers range. This is a medium question. Let's get into it. Given a range from m to n, where m is the, equal bigger than 0, and then n also equal bigger than m, and then n is the equal smaller than 2, 1, 4, 7, 4, 8, 3, 6, 4, 7. This is 2 to the 31. And return the bitwise this one, and all numbers in this range in cursive. Let's check with this one. 5, 7 is 5, 6, 7. So return is 4. Okay. Let's summary of the bitwise. Okay, in this time I will check only and or. Okay. I will tell how to easily remember. That is, and is very sensitive, and then or is not. So if we want to get a true value, so true is 1, so only 1 and 1 return true. Otherwise 1 and 0 return 0, and then 0 and 0 also return 0. But OR is different. 1 or 1 also 1, but even one of them is 1, it return 1. But although or 0 and 0, that means there is no 1, it needed to return 0. So now we use the AND operation. How we solve it? Okay, let's check is the example 1. In this time, we needed to AND operation 5. Our output is 5 and 6 and 7. Is it correct? So 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 0. This is 5, 1, 0, 1, and then 6 is 1, 1, 0, and then 7 is 1, 1, 1. In this time, the AND operation, let's check with the bit. This one is the 1, 0, 1. So AND operation is 0. And then this one also 0 contain 0. But this one is there are no 0. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So return 1. So we got this value. This value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So we return get value is 4. Like this. Does it make sense? How we can solve it? Yes, we can iterate the coding like this. Make a sum is 0 for num in range m to the n. Is it correct? No, n plus 1. Because Python did not allow the n, just doing n minus 1. So that is the reason why we add 1. So this time maybe we can do some an AND operation, add to nums, and then return sum. Is it correct? No. Because first time the sum initialized with 0, so any number must be 0, right? So we needed to initialize m and start with m plus 1. Now I think we can get the value. Oh, okay, let me check. Oh, test value is too big. 5, 7. Yeah, we got a 4. But as you see before, if data is very big, it takes quite a long time because time complexity is n minus m. So this is linear. So, and then the question is medium. If the question is easy question, maybe this one will be accepted. But this question is a medium question. So we need to find another way, the better way. How we can do it? Let's check this one again. And this is 4, and this is 5, this is 6. 7 must be 1, 0, 0, 0, right? And then 1 is 1, 2 is 0, 1, 3 is 0, 0. Now we can find one symptom. Okay, let's start 1 plus 2. What is value? Actually, this one is same as 0, 1, but each digit has 0, so return is what? Yes, the return is 0. But let's check with 2 with 3. In this case, the first digit is 0, but second digit is 1 because there are no 1. So return value must be 0, 1 is the 2. Does it make sense? Okay, let's check with 4 with 6. In this case, this one is 1, right? 1. And second is 0 because this one is 0, right? And then third is 0 because this one is 0. So finally we got number is 4, right? So any number from here to here, so getting 4, here to here is getting 4. But if we include 7, this is different because this is 0 and 0, 0, 0. Because every digit has 0, right? So boundary is very important, right? So how we can solve it? Can you implement this code? Yes. How we can use, maybe we can use the shift operation. First, we will shift left to right. So first, the while iteration, first right until m equal n. And then m equal n is we just count how many shift operation, how many time did shift operation. So this time is we just do only one time, right? So shift operation count is 1. So final count is must be we need to return m shift count. So this is 1, 0. Okay, let's check it 4, 5, 6. In this time we count shift 1, 2 times, so count is 2. So finally we will shift the shift back 0, 0, so return is 4. Does it make sense? Okay, let's implement the code. First we need a counter. Initial is 0. And then we will return it while m is not same as m, and then n with the right shift 1, and also right shift 1, and increase counter, and we will return m reverse counting. Okay, let's check the code. Okay, good. Let's submit. Awesome. Thank you.